Let's see if it's any fun to fly the Avata 2 with the motion controller. It is kind of fun to fly the Avata with the motion controller, but I would not do it, to be honest. I'm still waiting for my FPV controller, so I cannot 100% say that the FPV controller feels much safer to fly than the motion controller. But from what I experienced so far flying in a simulator with a FPV controller, it feels much safer because the movements are smooth, precise, and you go exactly where you want to go, while here you're just kind of like moving this cursor, trying to get the drone to go in that direction. And I don't know, it doesn't feel very precise or safe to me, so I don't think I will be playing much with the motion controller as I will be with the FPV controller. So that's it. Yeah.